Hi guys, welcome to Unity3d Made Easy. Today I am going to show you how to use volumetric light in Unity. First, let's look at the final result. I have used Aura package. Link to all the assets used will be in description. I will apply volumetric light to this low poly scene. I have also applied a little bit of post-processing to increase the quality of environment. Now download Aura package from Asset Store. This is the most amazing asset which provides volumetric light system. Before we go further, let's see some of the environment created using Aura package. Head over to description to find link to this asset. Now select the main camera and add Aura main component to it. Set ambient density to 0.5 and ambient anisotropy to 0.85. Change the color according to your requirement. Also set ambient light strength to 0.5. Sometime you have to click in game window to update the changes. Now I will add Aura light to selected light. This will add the volumetric light to the selected light. Enable the override color and set color as per requirement. I will set the strength to 8. Now you can clearly see the light volume. In additional parameters, set threshold to 0.5 and distance attenuation exponent to 1. And leave everything as default. Now I will copy and add this component and other lights. Then add the Aura planar volume. This will give us a growing fog effect. I will set height attenuation to 0.5 and fall to 1. Set density to 0.25 and color as per requirement. Then in anisotropy tab, set strength to 1. Here I am setting the values to get a better view. Now I will add Aura global volume to give my scene a depth and global light volume effect. Enable noise mask and set speed to something like 0.2. Set density to 0.1 and set level threshold between 0.6 to 1. Increase the contrast to 100. Now in Color tab, set color as requirement. Set strength to 0.5 and set level threshold between 0.5 to 1. All the values completely depends on the scene environment and yours may vary from mine. In Anisotropy tab, set strength to 1. Set level threshold between 0.5 to 1. Here you can see the little bit of detail that global volume adds to the scene. Now I will add the aura light to few more light sources that are in the scene. Now I will show you how to use noise mask in planar volume. I will set the speed to 0.2 and change the density and color to get the desired effect. I hope you can see the effect in the video. Here I am increasing the speed to make the noise more observable. So then, after changing the values a little bit, I was able to get this result. Hope you liked this video. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I upload video twice every week.